How to convert Wix website to HTML. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be teaching you on how you can convert your Wix website to HTML in the easiest and most simplest way. So to start things off, what you are going to want to be doing is you're going to make sure that you have an idea of how your Wix website works. So there's not a proper way to convert it into HTML, but you can go ahead and use ChatGPT. So simply add in a prompt as create me a professional homepage in HTML for a website. Okay, we're gonna write that, and as you can see, it writes you an HTML code. So you can come to websites like Pencode, and on Pencode, you can use their online code editor to actually see if the HTML has, created a good outline for you. So here's the HTML body. You're gonna come here, you're gonna paste it, and once you paste this over here, as you can see, it creates a home page, and then you can obviously add more styling into it through CSS, JavaScript, or whatever you want. So that's the basic idea of how you are gonna, convert your website to HTML. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.